The second law of exponents says if you're multiplying numbers together and then you raise that product to some kind of exponent, that exponent pays a visit to each of the little things you were multiplying. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say we had 2x raised to the third. All right, so what you got to do is that little 3 has got to pay a visit to the 2, and it's got to pay a visit to the x. So you have 2 to the third, which would be 8, and x to the third, which would be x to the third. So your answer would be 8x to the third. Okay, let me show you why that works. What you're really doing when you got 2x raised to the third is multiplying 2x times 2x times 2x. And the way that I make sense of this is I separate the letters from the numbers. Let's do the numbers first. We got 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And then x times x times x is x to the third. 8x to the third. That's why the second law of exponents works. One more example. Let's say we had 4y and then squared. So we take 4y, raise it to 2. What you got to do is have that little 2 visit the 4 and have that little 2 visit the y. So 4 squared is 16 and y squared is y squared. Your answer would be 16y squared. And remember why that works. 4y raised to the second is the same thing as 4y times 4y. We separate the letters from the numbers. Numbers first. 4 times 4 is 16. Y times y is y squared. 16y squared. This is how the second law of exponents works.